Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our MT5 trading platform. We'll go through everything you need from the first login to setting up your charts and to opening and closing your first position. Let's get into it. When you open MetaTrader 5 for the first time, this is the screen that you'll see. You want to be selecting I Ventures Ltd from the list and then click Next. Down here, choose Connect with an existing trade account. Your login and your password are both in your dashboard. Make sure that the server is set to Tradeify Ventures 247. Click Finish. This will take you straight into the platform. And this is the Tradeify 247 position size calculator, and it should already be on your chart. If it isn't, go down to Expert Advisor in the navigator and drag it onto the chart. Then up here at the very top, make sure that algo trading is enabled. You want that button to be green. If it isn't green, the tool won't place trades. At the very bottom, you got your balance and your equity. Under the Trade tab, this is where all your open positions will appear. Under History, this is every trade that you've closed, and as you can see, one trade on this account so far. In the Navigator, you got your accounts. These are the accounts that you're logged into. Below that, Expert Advisors. That's where the position size calculator lives. This is also where you can log into a new account. Just right-click Accounts, then log in to Trade Account. Enter your login, your password, and the server. All three of them is in your dashboard. You can also do the same thing from File in the top left corner. Above the navigator is the Market Watch window. This is your watch list. To add something, click here and type in what you're looking for. If you can't find what you need, right-click and select Symbols. This opens the full list and all the pairs are in here, and everything else available to trade will be in this list. Right-click a pair and select Specification if you want the full details on that instrument. At the top, you can switch between bar charts, candlestick charts, and line chart. You can also zoom in and out, and you can change your chart layout. Here are your drawing tools. Click the box for more tools to add to your chart. And over the right, you got your time frames. If you want indicators, click Insert and then Indicators. Everything available is in there. Alright, now let's open a trade. We got Bitcoin here on the daily, and we're going to short it at market. Start with the direction. Click long and it switches to short. We're gonna go short. Below that, order types. It's currently on instant, which is a market order. Click once and it goes to pending, which is a limit order. Click again and you will get a stop limit order. We're staying on instant. Now hover your mouse over the red line. That's your stop loss, and you can drag it anywhere you want. We'll put it above the last swing high right here. For the take profit order, type the level straight into your calculator and you will see it appear on the chart, where you can also drag it right from the chart. And then go down to risk. This is where you decide how much you're putting at risk on this trade. You can set it as a percentage of your account or a fixed dollar amount. It shows you the profit, the risk to reward on the setup, and the position size. And this is the part that makes the tool really worth using. You don't have to think about lot sizes, you just set your risk and it does the sizing for you. We are risking 1% of our account here. When everything looks right, click the Trading tab and then click Trade. A confirmation window pops up, click OK. And we're in. You can now see the open position on Bitcoin down here. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame to manage this. That's your stop loss on the open position, and you can drag it wherever you want. Same with the take profit level. To close the trade, click the X under profit at the lower right corner. The position closes immediately. And that's it. That's the basics of MetaTrader 5. Logging in, setting up your charts, and opening and closing your first position.